Alright guys, so today it's raining in beautiful Southern California, and we decided to have a little fun in the rain. So we decided to, just out of the blue, decided to see if we can get any sort of interesting shots with a studio strobe. So today we're going to be using the Paul C Buff Einsteins.
Yeah, you know what? That light just freezes the action.
Alright, Nancy, aim it towards the camera. Just stand on that line right there. Yeah, okay. Try to throw it along the plane of that line. Alright, set and go. So today, as a base for the settings, we used ISO 200. We shot this at f2.8 and f4.0 to start off with. And then we used a shutter speed of 1/200th of a second. And we also used the Einstein, and we started the power off at 1/32nd power and made adjustments from there.
Alright, so we hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you saw something new, maybe learned a few things. Make sure to check out our last video, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Give us some feedback, let us know what you thought, and we'll be coming at you with some new stuff for the future.